In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in a table in Card. Card doesn't include a traditional table element, but you can create a clean table-like layout using containers set to columns. This gives you a flexible grid that behaves like table cells while still being fully responsive on mobile. Start by heading to card.co in your browser and open your dashboard. From there, select the project you want to work on to open the editor. Once you're in, look for the Add button and choose Container. This is the building block that will act like your table. In the container settings, open the Type dropdown and switch it to Columns. That tells Card to split the container into multiple vertical sections, just like table columns. If you need more than the default number of columns, use the Add option in the Columns controls to create as many as you need. When the layout looks right, click Done to place the container on your page. Now let's place an image inside that table-like layout. Click Add again and choose Image. In the image settings, select Upload and pick the file from your device. For best results, use images that are already optimized and similarly sized so everything feels consistent across columns. After choosing your file, you'll see a crop frame. Adjust the crop to control which part of the image is visible, especially if you're trying to keep a uniform look across multiple cells. When the framing looks good, click Accept, then click Done to finalize. Make sure the image sits inside the column you intend to use. If needed, adjust its position so it aligns with the text or other elements in that same column. Repeat the same process to add additional images to other columns, following the upload, crop, and accept flow each time. A few quick layout tips to get a crisp, table-like result. Keep your column widths consistent for a balanced look. Use the spacing and alignment controls on both the container and the image to tighten things up. And keep an eye on mobile responsiveness by previewing on smaller screens and slightly adjusting gaps if items feel crowded. If you're building a multi-row layout, simply repeat the container with columns approach further down the page to mirror additional rows. And keep your image sizes and alignment consistent so everything lines up neatly. That's it. You now have a reliable way to place images inside a table-style layout in Card using containers and columns. Repeat these steps as needed to fill out the rest of your grid, and you'll have a clean, responsive design in no time.